No, Marty right now, she's in the dead shit or whatever.
Okay. You guys should be over that side.
I want to play with the big boys.
This is that one.
Nah, these ain't the big boys. I want to learn how to repair a rock, man.
A what?
A rock.
A rock?
Yeah.
What is rock?
A rock. You don't know what a rock is? Yeah. I want to learn how to repair a rock.
Not hard, Johnny.
You can't repair a rock.
Yeah, man.
A rock breaks. How are you gonna repair it?
Just get a film set and thing.
There you go. Yeah.
And put it back. That should work. Nobody knows. Just to do work. You ain't burning my water, are you?
Yeah, just a little. He's burning everything else.
Just a little bit. If you think he is, just a little bit.
Okay, taking a picture of it.
Video.
Nah, no wood burn.
Okay.
I don't see none, bro.
Not yet.
You can put it on YouTube.
Yep.
You have to pay them to do it. Huh?
Free.
Really?
Yeah. And if you get enough views, Google will contact you and they put ads on your videos and you start getting paid. You do.
So you got to focus on us who are doing it, man. So that they will see it. Put it on Johnny too. Put it on.
He's not doing that.
Yeah, he's watching. He's doing something by watching.
No, chief, don't put it in my hand. Let it take the fire that way. I just go. Keep it that way.
Don't put it my way. Oh, that you see that shit steady going back?
Yeah, I see that shit is coming to me, bro.
Keep that shit away from my hand. You know, girl, took up on. I could have been doing it. Yeah. Nope. 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 I think you did,
I was trying to take that ball. I don't want that ball.
That boy a pyromaniac, you know?